Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Geek. Today we are going to show you a sound system from Creative, and it's the Creative Stage 2.1 Soundbar. Starting with the technical details, the soundbar peak power output is 160 watt and there are two 20 watt speakers inside. In terms of design and build quality, the quality is pretty good and it looks stylish as well. What makes it more interesting is that with the soundbar you get a subwoofer, which is compact, looks pretty good and also well built. The subwoofer has a 140 watt speaker and it definitely takes the experience to another level. The cable of the subwoofer is also long and due to that you can place it according to your choice. Talking about the connectivity options, the Creative Stage has an advantage here. Apart from the subwoofer, which by the way takes the power from the soundbar itself, this soundbar supports plug and play MP3 files from a USB pen drive. It also has a aux port, Bluetooth support and also HDMI ARC support, which is really good to see in this price segment. In terms of design, the size of the soundbar is 21 inches, which doesn't look too big in front of your TV or monitor. And with the neat design and finishing, this looks like a premium product. Though I wish there was no glossy finish at the back of the soundbar because it was catching dust very quickly. In terms of functionality, you have a dedicated display in the front of the soundbar which let you know the mode and also see the volume level. You also get a basic remote controller by which you can change to different modes. Now let's talk about the most important thing, which is the sound quality. When I first hooked it up with my TV, I wasn't expecting much because of the size and the price of this soundbar. But I was totally wrong. The quality of the audio from both the soundbar and subwoofer is amazing. Keeping in mind the price of this, I really liked it. The low end feels pretty good, which means this definitely has some bass in it, and the clarity is also pretty good. You can also change to different modes from the remote controller, which includes music, cinema, concert and gaming. And I should mention here that even at high volume, I didn't feel any distortions and the vocals were very clear. I also connected this soundbar via Bluetooth to my TV and the sound output for watching movies and regular TV program was pretty good. And there was no lag at all on the Bluetooth connection. This soundbar is perfect for a big room, as when I was testing in my small room, I find it overpowering as it was so close to me under my monitor. But when I connected this soundbar to my TV, the sound output for a larger room was pretty good. And guys, getting this from an affordable soundbar system is really good. I really like them and definitely recommend them to you if you're looking for a stylish sound system for your home. The price of this soundbar system is Rs 8,499, which is reduced from the MRP of 15,999. And right now with the Flipkart National Sale, you can get them for as low as Rs 6,300, which is really value for money. And at this price, you're getting a perfectly sounding system and the sound quality for watching videos and gaming is pretty good. And overall we give the Creative Stage soundbar 4 out of 5 stars for mainly the pricing and the sound quality. So that's it guys, this was the review of the Creative Stage Soundbar 2.1 audio system. Let us know if you like it and also do tell us your favorite feature of this soundbar in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off and I'll see you in the next one.